This tutorial shows you how to manage which apps are allowed to use your camera. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. After that, scroll down to the App Permissions section and click on Camera. At this point, you'll see a toggle at the top labeled Camera Access. This is the master switch that controls whether any app on your device can use the camera at all. From here, if you turn that off, no app will be able to access the camera regardless of individual settings below it. Following this, if you leave it on, scroll down to the next toggle labeled Let Apps Access Your Camera. Make sure this is on if you want to control access on an app-by-app basis. After that, scroll further down to see the full list of apps that have requested camera access. From here, go through the list and toggle off any app you don't want using your camera. Things like social media apps or browsers are worth checking here. At this point, below the app list, you'll also see a section for desktop apps, which shows traditional programs that can access the camera outside of the standard permission system. Finally, if you want to fully block camera access at a hardware level, some laptops have a physical privacy shutter built into the webcam that you can slide across to cover the lens completely. That's how you control camera access in Windows 11. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch every upload. See you then!